Good morning, student. Last time I have explained about the arithmetic progression and related terms such as first term, common difference, and the first four terms. Write the expression of the first four term. How can we find out the first term, second term, third term? How can we find out the common difference? And along with, I have also explained the 5.1 first question, first part. Now come to the second one question. If you have first part, you have to do yourself, or the remaining part. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Now I'm going to start the second question, in which we have given you write the first four term of an AP when first term is given you and the common difference D is also given you. Okay, common difference D, you know that first term A and the common difference D are given. Then you have to find the first four term. So you know that how can we find out the first four term if you given that solution. Suppose that first term is A. Okay, then second term how can we find? By adding D. Second term will be A plus D. That is the A, and that is the A plus D second term. Then A plus another D add by the 2D, that will come A plus 3D and A plus 4D, and same way. In the same way we can go then up to n term. Okay, so you can observe that is the A1, that is the A2, that is the A3 third term, and that is the fourth term, and that is the fifth term, and that is the nth term. Also I have explained you can see that is the ABN, that is the AN up to N. And so 5, that will come 4 less than 1, which are term here. So say from the term 1 less than. So what the term will be? A plus n minus 1. In place of n, you get 5 minus 1 into D, n minus 1 into D. That is called the nth term. That is the general nth term. That is called the nth term of an AP. Okay. So now we have to find out the first, second, and third, fourth term. Write the first four term. First four term means A1 you have to find out them. Now first question I have given you. What they given? A equal to 10 and D equal to 10. So A1, what will be A1? A1 will be, that is equal to A, that is equal to 10. A2, what will be A2? A plus D. A plus D means 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20. A3 means A plus 2D, you can see A plus 2D. A plus 2D, that is equal to 10 plus 2 into 10, that is equal to 30. Similarly, A4, you can get A plus 3D, 10 plus 3 into 10, that is equal to 40. Okay, so first four terms are, the first four terms are 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, that is the first part. Similarly, you can do the second part also. Second part, second means if you given A equal to minus 2 and D equal to 0, so you can find A1 equal to A1 equal to A minus 2. Minus 2 given you second question. So minus 2. A1 equal to minus 2 or A2 equal to, A1 equal to A, that is equal to minus 2. A2 equal to A plus D means minus 2 plus 0, that is equal to minus 2. Similarly, A3 equal to A plus 2D, minus 2 plus 2 into 0, that is equal to minus 2. Similarly, A4 equal to A plus 3D, minus 2 plus 2 into 0, 3 into 0, that is equal to also minus 2. So first four term, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first four terms are are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, these are the first 4 terms. One more I can do this one for you. Just given you here, given you a equal to minus 1 and d equal to 1 upon 2. So first term means first a, that is equal to minus 1. a2 means second term. What is given you? A plus d, adding the d, minus 1 plus d, 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 2. Similarly, a3 given you, a is given you minus 1 plus d means a plus 2d, sorry, that is will come a plus 2d. a means minus 1 plus 2 into d, what the d? 1 by 2. You can say that is will 0. Okay. a4 given you, a4 means what the value of a4? a4 is given you a plus 3d. a means minus 1. a means minus 1 plus 3 into d means 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 means 1 by 2. Okay. So first 4 terms are, you can say the first 4 terms are 1 by minus 1, 1 by 2, comma 0, comma 1 by 2. Okay. In this way we can find out the terms violated. First term a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, and the a plus d. By adding d you can find out the next term by adding d, or by another way we can say that a1, a2, a3. Either you can say a1, a2, a3, either you can say a plus d or a plus 2d. Okay, in this way we can solve it. For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. Okay, one by one we can do. First you given you 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. First you given 3, 1, minus 1, or minus 1 after minus 1, 3, minus 3. First you can say that is the first term. First term means a1 equal to a. Okay, another way you can say that is the a1, a2, a3 and a4. Okay, that is the a1, that is a2 and that is a3. That is a1, a2, a3 for you. So first term will be a1 equal to a. No, first term that is equal to 3. And common difference, you know that common difference, that is equal d, that is called d, that is equal to a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2, you can say. So what the a2 will be 1, or a1 is 3, that is equal to minus 2. So either you can do by this one, or you can say either you can one student can take a2 minus a1, another student can be take a3 minus a2, no? By subtraction the previous term from the next term. Only this one you are given you. Similarly you can find out all these parts. Question number 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form AP, find the common difference D and write the next 3 more terms. Question number 4. Question number 4 is giving you which of the following are APs. following are APs. APs हैं, which of the following are APs? And the next question is given, if they form an AP, find the common difference D. If they form an AP, then find the common difference and next three more terms, and next three more terms, and next three more terms. Okay, first one you given, you first part I have come. What is given? 2, 4, 8, 16. 2, 4, 8 and 16 you have given you. So you have to find out the first one. First term, if they form an APs, so what can we do for identification of APs? How can we identify the AP? First out, we take that is the A1. Okay, A1, that is A2. You can see A1, A2 or A3 and A4. A1, A2, A3, A4 given you. So if the common difference will be same, then it is the form of AP. So how can we check? D equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Also D can check another way. A3 minus A2. Only 2 is enough for this. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. So what can we say? That common difference is D equal to 2, and that is 4. 2, 4, 8, 16. So is there a form of AP? What can we do? What can we say about this one? So how can we write? Since common differences are not same, so these are not in the form of AP. So what can we write? Since common difference are not same, hence these are not form an AP. Okay, in this way we can check. Second part, or you can check second part is given you. Two, 5 by 2, 3. Okay, given 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2. In this way, second part we have given you. So we can observe this one, A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. So you can find out the common difference. D equal to what? A2 minus A1. So you can write D equal to A2 minus A1, 5 by 2 minus 2. So what will come? 5 minus 4 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. Similarly, also do for next two terms. First take these two terms, then these two terms. A3 minus A2. What the A3? 3 minus 5 by 2. That is also a 1 by 2. We can observe that common difference are same, hence this is a form an AP. Common difference are same, same. Hence these are in AP. If there is AP, what does it mean? If they form an AP, then find the common difference. The common difference already find out. So what can we write here? Common difference D equal to how much? You find 1 upon 2. Okay, 1 by 2. 1 upon 2. Find the common difference. And next 3 more terms. 3 more terms. After that, next 3 more terms. So we can say that by adding the D, you can see A4. A4, you have to find out the A5. A5 means A plus 4D. What is the first term? D. A is given you 2. Okay, A is given you common difference D equal to 1 by 2, and the first term is given common difference D equal to 1 by 2, and the first term, that is that 2, A1 is the first term, or another way we can say A also. A1 is also A, you can say. So A1 equal to 2, and the common difference is D equal to 1 by 2, and then you have to next 3 terms, means next 3 terms after the 4th term, 5th term, 6th term and 7th term. You have to find next 3 terms, 5th term, 6th or 7th. So first you can find out A5 means A plus 4D, according to the rule, or I have given you the formula last time. A plus 4D, first term is what? 2 plus 4, what the common difference? D into 1 by 2, 2 to the 4, so you can say that 4. Okay, after that 7 by 2, what will come? 4. A6, next term, so A plus 5D. What is the A? A is giving you 2, and the 5 into D, 1 by 2, 5 by 2 means 9 by 2. So A6 is equal to 9 by 2. Similarly, A7 means A plus 6D, that is equal to 2 plus 6 into 1 by 2, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So next it's next 3 terms, 3 more terms, next 3 more terms. What will be? 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Okay, in this way we have to find out the next term. Similarly, you can find out the 4th all parts, 12th. Remaining part you can do, okay, same as I am giving, that is the different for other parts. First you given 12th part, root 2, 8, 18. Root 2, root 8, root 18 and root 32. Okay, this one 2, 8, 18, 32. 2, 8, 18, 32. So how can we say that is the A1? Okay, A1, A2, and that is the A3, and that is A4. So you have to check. How can we check? You have to check common difference D. D equal to what? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, what will come? A2 minus A1 under root, A2 means under root 8 minus A1 means under root 2. By factorization 8, so we can write. So factorization we can write, under root can be written under root 8. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that pair will come outside and that will become in 2 root 2. Okay, so under root 8 we can take the 2 root 2 and minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, that will come under root 2. Okay, similarly for the other one, D also a3 minus a2 under root 18 minus under root 8. Under root 18 you can find out same way, 18 2 6 3 is 18. It means this pair will come outside 3 root 2. Okay, under root 18 means 3 root 2, or this will come equal to under root 8 in place of root 2. 2 root 2, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, that will come also 2 root 2. So we can say that common difference are same. and लिखेंगे since common difference are same, so or hence these are in AP. Okay, these are in AP and form in AP. If they form an AP, we have to find out the next 3 more terms. How can we find the next 3 more terms? Next 3 more terms means you have to find first term A1 for next term means A1, what the A? First term A1 equal to A, that is equal to root 2, and the common difference D root 2. Then next 3 more terms, first, second, third and fourth you given you, and you have to find out the fifth, sixth and seventh. A fifth means A plus 4D. Okay, less than 1. A plus 4D. A plus 4D means what the A is given you root 2 plus 4, D means root 2, that is equal to 5 root 2. Okay, A6 means A plus 5D, it means root 2 plus 5 root 2, that is equal to 6 root 2. Okay, A7 equal to root 2 plus 6, A plus 6D. Okay, that is equal to root 2 plus 6 root 2, that is equal to 7 root 2. Okay, 3 more term will be 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. In this way we can do, and you have to do all these questions in this part. Okay, remaining part you can do. I am doing the last one also, I am doing you. Last part is 15. X B 157. Okay, that is the first one, A1, that is the A2, that is the A3, and that is A4. Now we have to find out the common difference. D means A2 minus A1, that is equal to 5 square minus 1 square. It means 25 minus 1, that will come 24. Similarly D, another D for A3 minus A2, 7 square minus 5 square. So we can take 49 minus 25, 24. Okay, common difference are same. यहाँ लिखेंगे what can we write? Since common difference are same, hence these are in AP. If they are AP, we have to find out the next 3 terms. So for next 3 terms, how can we do? What can we do about this one? For next 3 terms, common difference is given you for next 3 terms, no? So A1 equal to A, that is equal to 1 ka square means 1, and common difference D, that is equal to 24. Next 3 terms means what? First, second, third, fourth. After fourth means A5, A6 and A7. You have to find out these 3 terms. First we come A5. A5 means A plus 4D. What the A? 1 plus 4 into D, 24, 97. Okay. Similarly, A6 equal to A plus 5D, less than 1. Okay. 5 to 4, 6, then 5. So what will be A plus 5 into 24? Sorry. What the A? 1 plus 5 into 24, 121. Similarly, A7 you can find. A7 means A plus 6D, less than 1. 6D, first A, 1 plus 6 into D, 24. Yeah, will come 145. Okay, so next three terms are what will be? Next three terms are 97, 121 and 145. Okay, these are all about the exercise first. Next time I will discuss more about the second exercise.